diving deep into Europe's most hidden legal loopholes. Secrets that allow you to protect your wealth, avoid taxes, and even get paid to live in some of the most beautiful countries on Earth. These aren't illegal tricks. They're perfectly legal strategies buried in complex laws that most people never notice. From Switzerland's private banking havens to Spain's digital nomad incentives, we're uncovering it all. Governments don't.
Our first stop is Switzerland, the legendary home of private banking. While Swiss accounts aren't as secretive as they were decades ago, there's still a completely legal way to shield your assets: private foundations, known locally as Stiftungen. By setting up a foundation, you can protect your wealth from lawsuits, divorces, and even inheritance taxes. These structures are recognized by law and offer a level of privacy that standard bank accounts simply can't match. You don't need to be a millionaire to benefit. Many middle-class families use them for estate planning. It's all about knowing the right legal steps. This isn't a shadowy trick. It's a well-established financial tool used by savvy investors worldwide. Next, we head to Germany, where the government actively rewards you for going green. If you invest in renewable energy projects like solar parks, wind farms, or even energy-efficient housing, you can qualify for tax exemptions of up to 100%. This isn't some hidden loophole. It's part of laws like the Renewable Energy Act, EEG, designed to boost sustainable investment. In some cases, you can even receive cash grants on top of tax breaks. Imagine funding a wind turbine and watching your tax bill drop to zero while generating passive income. This opportunity is open to both residents and non-residents, making it a global incentive for eco-conscious investors. Now let's talk about France's creative paradise. Did you know that countless works of art, literature, and music have entered the public domain? This means you can legally use, modify, and even sell creations by artists like Claude Monet, Victor Hugo, or Eric Satie without paying a cent in royalties. For example, you can print Monet's water lilies on merchandise, use Debussy's music in your videos, or publish your own edition of Les Misérables. France's rich cultural history is a free treasure trove for creators, entrepreneurs, and artists. This isn't piracy, it's a lawful right that too few people leverage. Italy takes preservation seriously. If you purchase and restore a historical property, think a centuries-old villa, a medieval tower, or even a rustic farmhouse, you can benefit from tax credits ranging from 50% to 110% of the renovation costs. Programs like Super Bonus 110% allow you to deduct expenses from your taxes or even receive direct cashbacks. In some cases, the government effectively pays you to own and restore a piece of history. This isn't just for the ultra-rich. Many middle-class homeowners have transformed ruins into dream homes while saving fortunes. It's a perfect blend of cultural preservation and financial smartness. Spain recently launched a digital nomad visa that's too good to ignore. If you work remotely for a company outside Spain or run your own online business, you can live there and pay a flat tax rate of just 15% for your first 4 years, compared to the standard rate of up to 47%. The application process is straightforward. Prove a steady income, secure health insurance, and show a clean record. Once approved, you gain access to the Schengen area and can enjoy Spain's vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and affordable lifestyle. This isn't a loophole for the elite. It's an open invitation for remote workers worldwide to live better and keep more of their hard-earned money. Finally, let's explore Europe's weirdest but legal loopholes. In Belgium, many employment contracts allow you to take your birthday off without using vacation days. It's an unwritten rule that's legally enforceable in most cases. In Denmark, traffic fines have a statute of limitations. If the police don't notify you within 3 years, you can ignore the ticket entirely. In Poland, you can forage for mushrooms, berries, or herbs in private forests unless the owner explicitly posts a prohibition. These might sound absurd, but they're real examples of how outdated laws can create unexpected opportunities. They show that legality isn't always about logic, it's about knowing the rules.
So, which loophole shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more dark secrets every week. Remember, knowledge is power, but using it wisely is even more powerful. See you in the next one.